If you want to improve your maths result before the exam, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Terry. Over the years, I've consistently helped students achieve strong results, including A and A plus in SPM at maths. I created express notes to help you focus on the key concept and exam question. Today, we'll be covering chapter 9.2 Cosine Rule. Let's get started. Derive the formula, but again, I think derivation for cosine rule is a bit harder. So I think I've also explained this to you before, right? But so that's why I'm not going to discuss this. The formula for cosine rule, there are two versions. The first version is given in exam. Second version is not. We normally use the first version to find what? The opposite length given two lengths side by side and the included angle. Yeah, remember included angle must be an angle between two given sides. And we use the second version. By the way, this one is given. This one is not given. We use the second version in the event that the length of all three sides are given and you're finding the angle. Yeah, you're finding angle, say A. Yeah? Okay, so I'll show you one example. Okay, so if you're finding length of PR, now look at the quadrilateral here. PQRS. PR is opposite to this. Obviously, I have to use the one below, not the one on top. The one on top, I don't have enough information. I only have length of two sides. That's about it. So I have used cosine rule. PR is your B if you like. You square it. The other two sides will be 6.4. It's your C. Yes? Sorry, I say wrong. This is your A. This is your B. This is your C. Some people, they prefer to write this like A square, B square, C square. Right? If you want, you can do that. 7.5 square minus 2, 6.4, 7.5 cos of the angle in between 78. Okay, so use your calculator. Everybody, 6.4 square plus 7.5 square minus 2 times 6.4 times 7.5 times cos 78. So whatever we get here, square root answer equals 8.789. Yeah, PR is 8.789. So now that I know this length is 8.789, next I'm finding angle SPR. SPR is here. So like I said, the two versions of cosine rule, the first version is not a problem, right? It's given exam, but the second version is not given exam. I don't recommend you, I would discourage you guys from substituting inside. Some people, they sub in the A, B, C inside, then they rearrange it. It's going to be very difficult, especially when you have decimal, right? So for me, I will bring this over to the right, bring this over to the left. I'll write 2BC cos A equals B square plus C square minus A square here. And when you divide by 2BC, you will be able to get this formula. So for me, derive the formula first before you substitute. Yeah, because like I say, this formula is given. This one is given. This is not. But it's very easy. Just take this formula, rearrange it, make cos A is the subject. Then only you sub inside. Okay, like for example, I want to find SPR here, right? This is my part A, part B. We say cos angle SPR. You just have to identify which one is your A. A is opposite to this angle. So my A is 4.8. It doesn't matter which one is B, which one is C. I'll just call 5.6 as B, the other one as C. So we take 5.6 square plus 8.789 square minus 4.8 square, divide 2 times 5.6 times 8.789. Okay, let's use our calculator. 5.6 square plus 8.789 square minus 4.8 square, divide 2 times 5.6 times 8.789. Okay, so whatever we get here, shift cos answer equals 29.63. Yeah, angle SPR 29.63. AC is 13. Sorry, I changed the figure given. AC is 13. Oh no. AC is 13. Look at the diagram. Follow the diagram. AC is 13. And angle CAB is 65. Find angle ADC. So ADC is this angle here. Alright. So we use cosine rule. Cos angle ADC Your opposite is 13, right? The other two sides are given. So I use the second version of cosine rule, which is 8 square plus 9 square minus 13 square. Divide 2 times 8 times 9. Use your calculator. Okay, wait, let me move it over here. 8 square plus 9 square minus 13 square. Divide 2 times 8 times 9. Whatever I get here, shift cos answer. Now notice that this is obtuse angle 99.59. Yeah, angle ADC is 99.59. Okay, so this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Remember your form 3 work. If this is a cyclic quadrilateral, what is the most important thing about cyclic quadrilateral? The opposite side, yeah, must be 180 minus. I need to find angle ABC first by taking 180 minus 99.59. That will be 80.41. Okay, so let me just rub this off. 80.41. So I know this is 80.41, and I'm supposed to find length of AB. Now AB is opposite to angle ACB, so I need to find ACB first, which is 180 minus 80.41 minus 65. Basically, I can just take 99.59 minus 65. That will give us 34.59. So if I know this is 34.59, we can use sine rule here to find your length of AB. Yeah? So this is combination of sine rule and cosine rule. So AB is opposite to this angle, sine 34.59. Then you equate with 13 divide by sine 80.41. Okay, let's find the length of AB. Calculator. 13 divide sine 80.41. Then multiply with sine 34.59. Okay, my answer is 7.485. If you find this helpful, do give this video a like. You can also share in the comment which topic you'd like me to cover next. If you need more practice, my MS books are available on Shopee and Lazada. Just search Teliti. And if you're looking for more structured learning, you can explore my e-course or join my classes. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson.